Good morning. It is freezing, as in it is -5, but today I'm sorting an issue, quick one, on the Evo that probably some other Evo owners are going to have problems with, and it's how to fix your fuel filler cap that won't open on your Evo. And literally this thing cost me about £2. It's about, I think it's about £1.95. This is it, this tiny little thing. So I got the Evo out once I had to defrost the garage door with some boiling water. There she is, looking stunning. But I've got the thing open. So basically this won't open. So when this is closed, essentially, if the car was open, when I pull the handle, this basically, I'm not going to shut the fuel filler cap, but this basically doesn't pop open the fuel filler cap. So I didn't have a clue. So literally this happened when I picked the car up on the first day. I went to fill it up on the way home, and literally it wouldn't happen. So I had to ring JDM, and they said, yeah, sometimes these little clips can come off. So basically, the little clip should sit in here. If I can get the GoPro in. Oh, there you go. Here, in that little hole there. And obviously you can see there is no clip. So basically, when you obviously release it, the clip doesn't release to let this open. So there's no kind of, should we say, stickiness, I'm going to say. Usually there's a bit of like, you know, a little bit of like a pop, and obviously usually that would sit there, but it just wants to fall back in. So this little clip that I got is literally what you need. Where have I put it? Where have I put my clip? There we go. This is it. So I'm going to get this out of the bag, and then I will be putting it on, showing you how to do it. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. So guys, this little clip, this £2 thing is what plagues so many Evo owners, because literally I've seen videos where people have had to take something to shove under. So like me this morning, I had to basically put a towel under the little pulley in the car to wedge it up, and then I've had to wedge keys like in here just to wedge the door open. There are people who have had to do this for 8 months, 9 months, because they didn't know all they needed was something that would cost them £2. So let's get this fitted. So got to try and remember the right way. So basically the clip looks like this. Oh, there we go. Basically this little clip, if it would focus on it, but it won't, has to be literally pushed into there, like I said earlier. And what you're waiting for is like a tiny little noise to basically click. So let's hopefully see if this works. So that goes onto there. There we go. That's not the click. So let's see if we can get that on there, wait for that click. So push, push, push. And that's it. Now, fingers crossed, that's in. You can see now, there's actually a bit of give. Oh, look at that. I literally leave my car for 5 minutes from taking it out of the garage, and a bird decides to shit on it. It's -5. Why would you do this to me? Where are you even? There you are. You little bastard. It's you right there, I bet. You little fucking, there you go on. Yeah, piss off now, you shit bag. Right, I'll clean that in a second. Anyway, that clip is in. You heard the little click. See, that doesn't want to fall in now. Fingers crossed. Let's push that shut. Right. Let's see what happens. Pray for me. Pull the clip. That sounded good. Yes! So there you go guys, how to fix a Evo fuel filler cap that won't open. So obviously this is an Evo 8. Evo 7, 8 and 9s are pretty universal for parts, so I'm assuming this is going to be the same, but I'm assuming it's the same kind of concept for all Evos. But if you've got this problem on your Evo, literally all you need is something that costs about £1.95, £2. I know it was under £2, so it's literally a £2 fix for this pain in the ass problem, but it's all done. So guys, one other thing I want to show you before I finish up with the video for today is that when we were in Japan, we actually went to one more up garage, and I basically I just didn't film it because I just totally forgot, and we found me a replacement for this. So obviously this is a standard OEM, JDM, whatever you want to call it, steering wheel, which is fine, but we found this. And if you know what this is a Nardi, and it's a Nardi Classic. It's got the old signature on there. We actually have the hub. The hub's in the house, so it says Nardi Torino. And this is going to be replacing this. So what I need to do is obviously order a hub for here, and then obviously this will be getting taken off, and the Nardi will be going on. So that's going to be really sick. Obviously we've got to change over the gear shifter knob, we've got a Broadway mirror to go on here, and as you can see, the fascia is all done. Now there's one bit of the fascia that wouldn't fit in, which is where you've got this slight gap around here, but otherwise I think it looks sick. And yeah, loads of little things that's going to be done. Also in January, the car is going to be going in for some, should we say, some TLC. So little things like, as you can see here, all of this needs redoing. There is the like peeling of the lacquer that's going to be getting done, and there's loads of other little bits and bobs, because for me with the car, I don't want to go and get all the fancy stuff done, like say a splitter and this and that, but then basically the basics aren't done, like, you know, even where stuff like this is just faded. I want it to look like it's just come out of a factory, or as near as I can get to it as that, and then we can go and do the fun stuff. But obviously there is the fun stuff. That one thing that has arrived is obviously the new alloys have arrived, so these will be coming off eventually and the new ones will be going on. But apart from that, that's just a little rundown. Hopefully if you've got an Evo, you found this video helpful in regards to this. I'm now going to go and clean off that. So as always, please like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment, tell me if you found this video useful, get your friends and family to subscribe and like and stuff as well. It'd be really helpful to support the channel. But until next time guys, peace out.